Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need both devices on the same network first. Once connected, open Chrome and update it so casting features work reliably. Now click the Chrome menu, choose Cast, and let the browser scan for your Google TV. If you don't see the TV, make sure both devices aren't isolated by a guest network. Start casting a tab immediately to confirm discovery. This first action tells you the rest will be straightforward. Once your TV appears, choose the right source. Cast a single tab for browsers, cast desktop to mirror everything, or cast a file for local video. You pick your Google TV from the device list next. Latency and quality depend on that choice. After connecting, make sure the tab's audio is unmuted and change display settings. Select full screen or tweak resolution to match the TV. These choices explain why some sources look. To finish, click the cast icon again and stop casting, or close the tab to end the session. If audio or video seems out of sync, make sure the TV audio output matches your laptop settings and try lowering playback resolution. When the TV doesn't appear, restart the TV's network, reboot your laptop, and disable VPNs. That usually resolves discovery failures. One clear tip: rebooting the router or toggling Wi-Fi on both devices often fixes persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.